In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a homepage in Lovable, whether you're just starting out with your application or looking to optimize user experience. Setting a custom homepage can greatly enhance how users navigate through your app. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open the project you want to modify. This could be any app you're currently working on in Lovable, whether it's a new project or an existing one. Navigating to your project ensures you're making changes in the right place, so make sure you're in the correct project before proceeding. Once you have your project open, you're ready to specify which page you want to set as the home page. Now within Lovable, you'll find an AI prompt box where you can instruct the app on how you'd like to adjust your homepage settings. This is a powerful feature because it allows you to use simple language to make significant changes. In this prompt box, you'll describe exactly which page should become your new homepage. It's important to be clear and specific about your instructions so that AI can accurately update your app's routing. For example, you might write, "Make the dashboard the homepage instead of the landing page." This straightforward instruction tells the system exactly what to do without ambiguity. Alternatively, you might need users to land on a specific page when they first open the app. In that case, you can say, "Redirect visitors to the welcome page when they first open the app." If you're working on an app where authentication is key, you could set up your homepage to better handle user access by instructing, "Use the login page as the home page for unauthenticated users." This ensures that users who need to sign in anytime they access the app are directed to the right place first. Once you have entered your desired instructions in the AI prompt box, go ahead and submit the prompt. All you need to do now is sit back and wait for Lovable to update the app's routing. The system will process your request and adjust the routing to make the specified page the new homepage. This usually happens quite promptly, but be patient while the changes are being applied. And there you have it. By using Lovable's smart AI prompt box, you can easily set a homepage for your app, enhancing your project's functionality and user experience. I hope you found this guide to setting up your homepage using Lovable helpful and straightforward. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to adjust your app's homepage settings and personalize how users interact with your app. Thanks for watching,